Halloween is here, the unicorn cake is in, so why not combine them together and create a unicorn witch cake? Welcome to Sweetwater Cakes. I'm Michelle. Let's get started and sweeten the world. The first thing I'm going to do here is line up my cupcakes. I have 24 delicious chocolate cupcakes. I don't want my cupcakes to slide around and transfer, so I'm going to put just a little bit of frosting on the bottom of my cupcakes. Next, I love to have Sweetwater cupcakes, aka moist cupcakes. We don't want dry cupcakes, so spray those cupcakes with some delicious sweet water. Now I'm rolling out the horn of my cupcake, or also known as the witch's hat. Which is it? The witch hat or a horn? I don't know. So I'm rolling it out with black fondant, and then I'm making just a little tiny circle for the bottom of the witch's hat. Twisting the hat onto a dowel rod. Hey, if you haven't yet, click that subscribe button. I post a new video here on Sweetwater Cakes every single week. Next, I'm going to put just a little bit of yummy green buttercream. Since this is a witch cake, we do want her to be green, right? I don't have a small round cookie cutter, so my little tip 12 works perfectly to create little tiny black balls for my cake. For the ears, I have a green heart and a black heart that I'm sticking together with a little bit of water and then pinching those two together to make the little ears. My frosting has hardened just a little bit, so I'm smoothing it out with just a little paper towel. The classic unicorn look is having those swirls all on the top and down the mane. So I'm going to do this with a little bit of purple frosting using tip 1M. Add it all over my cake, and then I'm going to add little tiny stars with purple and some stars with orange. To top off those orange stars, I'm putting just little tiny sprinkles on the top. Add my hat and my ears. The eyes on the unicorn cake are also very important. So I have just a little bit of fondant rolled out, and I'm creating that sleeping unicorn look. I love the way this cake turned out. It is so cute and festive for Halloween. Christmas is coming! Yay! And I love making Christmas cakes. So if you have any Christmas cake requests, comment down below. I would love to know what you would like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and you go sweeten the world. Bye-bye.